Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on System and Update. After click on System and Update, click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. After click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, you will see your problem is not solved. So update your software. Click on settings, scroll down, and click on system update and you will see first option is software update. After update your software, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.